Hey, beautiful plant lovers! Not every home is blessed with bright, sunny windows. But guess what? That doesn't mean you can't grow a jungle indoors. Today, we're diving into 10 of the strongest low-light houseplants that don't just survive in dark corners, they thrive there. Whether you live in a cozy apartment, have a windowless office, or just want some greenery in those shady spots, these tough indoor plants have got your back. Stick around till the end because our number one pick is so tough, it could survive in a closet seriously. Let's get into it. Number 1. Zedy Plant. The Zedy plant is practically made for plant beginners. It thrives in very low light. Even fluorescent lighting is enough for it. Its thick stems store water like a camel, so it can go weeks without a drink. Here's the wild part. Its waxy, shiny leaves aren't just pretty, they reflect light, making your space seem brighter than it actually is. This low-light indoor plant is almost impossible to kill. Seriously, some people call it the set-it-and-forget-it plant. Number 2. Snake Plant. This plant doesn't just survive in low light, it relishes it. Also known as the mother-in-law's tongue, the snake plant can grow in full shade, dry air, and complete neglect. Here's a lesser-known fact. It's one of the few plants that releases oxygen at night, making it a fantastic bedroom companion. Tough, stylish, and air-purifying, it's one of the best strong houseplants out there. Number 3. Cast Iron Plant. Think of this one as the bodybuilder of the plant world. Named the cast iron plant for a reason, it can handle nearly anything: low light, poor soil, temperature swings, and dry conditions. In Victorian times, it was the go-to indoor plant for homes lit only by gas lamps, so yes, it can handle your dim living room. It grows slowly, but lives for decades with proper care. Number 4. Chinese Evergreen. One of the prettiest low-light houseplants, Chinese Evergreen brings silvery or pink variegation to low-light spaces. Here's the cool part. The darker the variety's leaves, the better it performs in shady spots. It's also one of NASA's top-ranked air-purifying plants, quietly removing indoor toxins while looking fabulous. Just don't overwater. It prefers a bit of neglect. Number 5. Pothos. This trailing beauty is a favorite for good reason. Pothos grows fast, adapts to almost any light condition, and is nearly impossible to kill. A fun fact? You can train it to climb or cascade, or snip a vine and root it in water to grow more. Perfect for shelves, plant walls, or even hanging near your shower. Number 6. Filidendrin. Heartleaf philodendron is one of the ultimate low-maintenance indoor plants. Its heart-shaped leaves grow even in shady spots, and it's super forgiving if you forget to water now and then. Here's something you may not know. In bright light, its vines grow faster, but in low light, the leaves grow larger. Either way, it makes any space feel more lush. 7. Peace Lily. Yes, it blooms, even without much sun. Peace lilies are one of the rare low-light flowering plants, producing elegant white spathes even in moderate shade. They also help purify mold spores and mildew from the air, perfect for bathrooms or humid spots. And when they droop, it's not dramatic. They're just letting you know it's time to water. Number 8. Dracaena. These swordleaf stunners come in many varieties, and several are built for low light. Dracaena can handle shady conditions, but here's a pro tip. If its leaf tips start browning, it's reacting to tap water chemicals. Use filtered water for happier foliage. They add a sculptural, architectural look to dark corners and grow slowly, so they're perfect for low-maintenance indoor spaces. Number 9. Parlor Palm, a true classic. The Parlor Palm was once a status symbol for wealthy Victorian homes. Why? Because it thrived indoors, even without electric light. It grows slowly, stays compact, and doesn't ask for much: a little water now and then, and maybe a kind word. Great for desktops, side tables, or corners that need a soft, leafy touch. Number 10. Pepperomia. These adorable little plants come in a ton of varieties, some with rippled leaves, others with stripes, even watermelon patterns. Pepperomia does well in low to medium light and needs barely any watering thanks to its succulent-like leaves. Here's a fun fact. It's pet-safe and makes a perfect desk plant due to its compact size and low care needs. And that's it. 10 strong, low-light houseplants perfect for those dim corners. Which of these do you already have? And which one are you excited to try next? Drop your comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Your every like, share, and subscribe means so much and helps this little plant-loving community grow. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome plant and gardening tips. Thanks for watching. Stay green and stay awesome as you are.